Hello Year 1. This is lesson 4, comparing numbers. Right, we're using our sharp eyes again and we're having a look at our picture. Look very closely. And in our picture we've got two classes. We've got class A here and we've got class B, so it could be 1F and 1P or 1P and 1F. But in the book it's called class A and it's class B. Now the question, here comes the question, and it says, which class has more pupils? And then it says, what can we do to find out? Now, have a look. And we're thinking about which class has more pupils. Which do you think it is? Put your hand up if you think it's class A. Okay. Put your hand up if you think it's class B. Okay. Let's have a look. Now, my friend told me that our base 10 materials, these that we were using in our last lesson, our base 10 materials, they might help us. I wonder why. How could we use our base 10? Well, how could we think about using base 10 materials? Okay, let's have a look then. Which class has more pupils? Well, the answer is class A. So well done for those of you who guessed it, who worked out, I think it was class A. How do we know just by looking? And I can hear some of you answering, this class here looks bigger than this class here. And that's right. But if we want to know how many pupils are in each of them, how would our base 10 materials help? Let me give you a clue. Look, if you go, there's a line, there's a line, there's a line. Now that's a short line. All these lines are the same length. How many children do you think there are in each line? That's right, there are 10. They are like, look, our lines, our base 10 materials are 10 sticks. There they are. And we've got 3 of them, so we've got 10, 20, 30, because 3 10s are 30. And we've got some left over, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 30 and 6, 36. Well done. So how many here? How many in class B? We've got 1 10, 2 10s, 1 10, 2 10s, 20, and a shorter line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 10, 27, so there are 27 in class B. Right, let's look at the next page. Now, let's learn. Which class has more pupils, class A or class B? And we counted the number of pupils and we can use our base 10 materials. So class A, here we are, has got 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Each one is worth 10. 30, and then there were 6 left over, 6 more. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. And we can show that on our 10s and 1s frame. Here it goes. There's our 10s column. So we had 30. How many 10s was that? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 10s and 6 1s. And that goes in the other column. And there's our 6. And we've got 36. 3 10s and 6 1s. And then if we look at class B, we can change that. And we had 27, which is 2 of our 10 blocks, 2 sticks, 2 long ones, 2, 10, 20, 2 sticks for 2 10s are 20, and 7 1s. So we can count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can show that in our place value frame by saying 2 10s are 20 and 7 1s makes 27 on our place value chart. And there is 27. 2 10s and 7 1s. Okay, now we're going to see if we can compare these numbers, because on the title of our lesson today is called Comparing Numbers. Whoops, there it is over here. When we compare numbers, we look at them and what's the same and what's different. So we're looking at putting these two numbers together and comparing them. And we're trying to see which is the biggest number. So let's look at these two numbers here. We've got 36 there, and we've got 27. Whoops, wrong 27. 36 and 27. And we're looking at this one and we're comparing. First of all, we're looking at the tens. Which number has got more tens? Is it 36 or is it 27? Which one has more? If I showed you with our base 10 materials, there was our 30 and there was our 20. Which one has the most sticks? Is it the 30 or the 20? Yes, it's this one, the 30, because there's 1, 2, 3 and there's only 2 there. So which number has the most tens? It's this one, because there are 3 tens in this number and only 2 tens in this number. So this number is more than this number. 36 is more than 27 because we've got 3 lots of 10 there. And we've only got 2 lots of 10. We can turn them round the other way and we can say that 2 tens is less than 3 tens. So this number, 27, is less than 36. So going back to our classes, Class A has more pupils. There they are. Class A has more pupils than Class B. If we just looked at the tens, we've got 3 rows of 10 here, but only 2 rows of 10. So when we looked at this first, if you notice that straight away, thumbs up, well done, because 2 lots of 10 is less than 3 lots of 10, or 3 lots of 10 is more than or greater than 2 lots of 10. Well done. Let's turn over.